Want to know how to schedule or meet in Google Chat? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, just simply open up your Google Chat or website or the interface or the application, and you should be right here on the home chat. Now, since we are scheduling a Google Meet or a meeting, just simply head towards direct messages or spaces. For this video, I'm just going for direct messages, and here you should be seeing this cross icon right here, right beside your chat box. You can just like that, and here you should be seeing send or meet link below calendar invite. So once you have selected that, just simply select send right here, and your meeting should be sent just like this, and that's it. Now they can join and have a meeting with you. I hope this video helped. This is how you easily schedule or create a Google Meet in Google Chat. Make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.